Scruffy! What are you doing? Oh, look at you. Oh, is there a storm? Huh? Is there a storm coming? Oh, look at you, Lucky. Hey, Lucky! Lucky! Hey, buddy! Hi! Do you see a storm? Let's look. Oh, I don't see one, but it sure is beautiful. Let's see what else we got out here. Lots of life, a limo, a couple tanks. Whoops. Whoops. A new RV that just arrived. There's the RV and the barn in the back. Just started to rain. There's the peach tree in the rain. And the greenhouse. That's the sight. I know, not very interesting, but that's where I am. That's where Lucky and Scruffy were. Oh wait, oh, there's Mark. Man in the house has just arrived. Mark Sorensen, Navajo and Air. Anyway, in the limo.